Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust Vanilla. First, familiarize yourself with the game's interface and controls, as quick reactions are crucial. Your initial goal is to gather basic resources like wood and stone from the environment. Use these to craft a stone pickaxe and hatchet, which are vital for efficient resource collection. Always keep an eye out for other players and potential threats while you're gathering. Once you have basic tools, focus on survival essentials, food and water. Hunt animals or find berries and locate a water source. Next, construct a small, secure starter base, even a 1x2 structure, to protect your initial loot and provide a respawn point. Be prepared to defend yourself against aggressive wildlife and other players who might try to raid you. As you progress, upgrade your base from wood to stone, then to metal, for increased durability against raids. Efficiently manage your inventory, prioritize what you carry and store. Explore different biomes, like the snow or desert, to find unique resources such as high-quality metal or sulfur, which are essential for advanced crafting and explosives. In the later stages, you'll engage in more complex player interactions, forming alliances or participating in intense player-versus-player combat. Mastering raiding techniques, like using explosives to breach bases, is key to acquiring high-tier loot. Simultaneously, fortify your own base with traps and strategic defenses to deter attackers. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your real-life ride smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.